Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you 3 very good use cases of Microsoft Copilot. Some of the key things I wish I had known when I kickstarted the use of Microsoft Copilot. Like, we know the behavior of Microsoft Copilot is something similar to ChatGPT because it has many of the features that ChatGPT possesses. Now let's start with accessing Microsoft Copilot. You can access it by coming to copilot.microsoft.com and it will bring you over here. Now the first feature I want to share with you is that you can access Microsoft Copilot and even use it without you logging in. Take a look at this. I have not logged in the account. This is just by visiting the website and I'm going to use it on the page. Okay, so you can come over here. You can go ahead and just type in anything. All right, so we can say, can you give me an essay about the future of AI in Nigerian education system? And I want you to use the smart feature. If you want to, you can add anything. You can upload images, you can add files, and you can generate images or do podcasts or thereabout. But let's say we're going to do something simple without an account. So we can go ahead and click on let's go. As you can see, it has generated the text that we are looking for. Even without an account, you can see it has given us all the details that we need. A very good essay that you can see you can work with. You can copy and work with it at any given point. Now at the end of it all, it has given us some references that we can go through, and even through the text you can see we can click in to see some of the sources where it found most of this information. Now the best part of this is that you can edit this in a page. Okay, so this is the second feature. You can edit any text that you've generated in Microsoft Copilot, even within the Copilot, and in a page you can click on edit in a page and it's going to bring you over here where it is going to make the entire thing editable. So right now you can work as if you're working on Microsoft Word. Like, you can select this text and you can unbold it if you want. You can select any section and possibly delete if you want to delete, and you can double click to select a section and maybe ask follow-up question, or you can come over here to message Microsoft Copilot, or you have the option to click in here to add in different elements or different files that you can further chat with. Now additionally, you can have some of these features, like you can bold, you can change to a paragraph, you can italize a section, you can use the bulleted points, you can enable bulleted lists, ordered lists, checklists, and then you can use this to make it a code if you're interested. Now another part that I enjoy the most is that, which is the last feature, you can either download this if you want to download in Microsoft Word, ask for that to just download it in Microsoft Word, or to give you a Word version or PDF version of this particular text that we have written. Or alternatively, you can come to this share and click on this share button and you can share with others, or download the PDF document, and then you can download also a Microsoft Word document just within this and without you signing in. And you can see right now I have downloaded the Microsoft Word version. So once I click, it is going to open in my Microsoft Word just like that. And if I want, I can do the same also for the, and you can see this is the Microsoft Word version. You're going to go ahead, if you are interested to carry out the edit. If you want to enable editing, you can enable editing and you can proceed to edit the document directly just like that within your Microsoft Word. And you can do the same with the PDF as well. This is going to give you the PDF version of that particular document or text or essay that you have written. You can see this is the PDF version of what we have generated. So these are my top 3 use cases of Microsoft Copilot. Go ahead, explore and see how you can use it to your own advantage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.